After a captivating first leg that saw Mumbai City FC edge past FC Goa with a late surge to secure a 3-2 victory, all eyes are now on the second leg of the Indian Super League semi-final clash between these two powerhouses. With a spot in the final of the Indian Super League at stake, both teams are gearing up for what promises to be an thrilling encounter at the Mumbai Football Arena on Monday at 7:30 p.m. The first leg of the semi-final match went right down to the wire, with the Islanders claiming the bragging rights with 3 goals that they scored in the final 6-odd minutes of the match. Talking about the current form, Mumbai City FC entered the second leg with confidence, having secured 4 victories in their last 5 games. The Islanders have been in formidable form, showcasing their attacking powers by scoring 45 goals in 23 matches this season. With a strong defensive record and a winning momentum behind them, Mumbai City FC will be aiming to capitalize on their home advantage and secure a place in the finals. FC Goa, despite falling short in the first leg, has shown resilience throughout the season. With a late surge in form, they finished third in the standings and displayed their attacking powers by scoring consistently. FC Goa will be eager to bounce back from their first leg defeat and make amends in the second leg. With their history of scoring at the Mumbai Football Arena, they pose a significant threat to Mumbai City FC's aspirations. What's at stake at the moment? Mumbai City FC have not been defeated in the last 11 meetings against FC Goa, winning 6 times and drawing 5 matches. The Islanders have kept a clean sheet in 5 of these games. A victory in this match would propel them closer to the quest of ISL glory. On the other hand, FC Goa will be determined to overturn their first leg defeat and seize the opportunity to progress into the finals. A win in this match would not only secure their place in the finals, but also validate their resilience and determination.